Topic 5.2. We'll be solving for x using the method of getting common bases. Okay, I want to convert these two into fractions, the bases into fractions. So this will be a 1. This 1 will be the numerator. And since there's only one place over, the denominator will be 10. Again, we're going to place this 1 as a numerator. And the denominator, which you have two places behind the decimal, will be 100. 2x. So 2 minus x. When I take the reciprocal of this, it will change the signs of the exponent. So what we'll get is a 10 as a reciprocal, but the signs will change here. Negative 2x, positive 1. Again, we're going to take the reciprocal here, and we're going to get 100, but the signs will change. We'll get a negative 2 and a positive x. Okay. Now from here, to get a common base, the common base will be 10. This will remain 10 to the negative 2x plus 1, because it's still 10. This becomes 10 to the second power, and times the numerator, the exponential, which is negative 2 plus x. Since we have common bases, we can equate the exponents. So this means that negative 2x plus 1 is equal to 2 times negative 2 plus x. And then when we solve this, we get negative 2x plus 1 equals negative 4 plus 2x. Here I'm going to add 2x to both sides, and I get 1 equals negative 4 plus 4x. And I add 4 to both sides, and I get 5 equals 4x. This implies x is 5 over 4. Number 7. The base here is 5. Now I want to convert this decimal into a fraction. So this will be 2 as a numerator, and since it's one place over, this will be 10. 2 over 10 reduces to 1/5. If I take the reciprocal of 1/5, I will get 5, but it changes the exponent to a negative 1. Now I have common bases, and I can equate the numerator. I can equate the exponentials, exponents. X equals negative 1. Okay, number 2, or number 8, should I say. For this, I want to convert this into a fraction. So this will be 125 for a numerator. And since we have 3 places here, this will give us a 1,000 for a denominator. Okay, now to simplify this fraction, 125 goes into itself, let's see, 1 time. How many times will it go into 1,000? 8 times. 8 times. Okay, 8. Okay, now I'm going to take the reciprocal of 8, which will make, the reciprocal of 1/8, which gives me 8 to the negative 1 power. And next I want to get common bases. So the common bases will be 2. This remains 2 to the x, and this 8 becomes 2 to the third, all times the negative 1. So we have 2 to the x equals 2 to the negative 3, and this implies that x is equal to negative 3. Number 9. Once again, we have decimals here in the base. I want to convert these into fractions. This will be a 4. One place over means 10. This will be a 16. 2 places decimals means we have a denominator of 100 and x plus 1. Okay, this will simplify to a 2/5. This will simplify to a 4 over 25. Okay, the common base for 2 and 4 is 2. The common base for 5 and 25 is 5. Okay, this is still all raised to the x minus 3 power, and this gets raised to the second power times x plus 1. So So now that we have common bases, we can equate the exponents. So we have x minus 3 set equal to 2 times x plus 1. X minus 3 equals 2x plus 2. And then I subtract x from both sides. I get negative 3 equals x plus 2. I subtract 2 from both sides. And we end up with x equals negative 5. Next, number 10. Number 10, we're going to convert this into a fraction. So we'll get a 15. Since this is one place over, it'll be over 10. All to the x minus 2 power. This will be 225. And since this is 2 decimal places, this will be over 100 over x plus 2. Okay, now let's simplify these fractions. Let's see, 5 can go into both, so this will be 3 over 2, x minus 2. See, for the next one, 25 can go into both. 25 goes into 225 5 times, and 25 goes into 100 4 times. So the power of x plus 2. Oh, 9 times, sorry, that was 9. So 25 goes in there 9 times. Okay, so the common base for 3 and 9 would be 3. And the common base for 2 and 4 will be 2. Okay, so this is still raised to the x minus 2 power. And this gets raised to the second power times my x plus 2. Since the bases are common, we can equate the exponents and say x minus 2 equals 2 times x plus 2. Then this distributes and gives us x minus 2 gives us 2x plus 4. From here, I'm going to subtract x from both sides, and I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. This will give us a negative 6 equals x, and that's our solution.